this, would you want to own a gun yourself? Would you want to be able to defend yourself if you are attacked by armed robbers or by kidnappers in your own home? Would you want to be able to defend your children and your wife if you are attacked? I mean, you're telling me now you don't want to handle a gun. If you don't want to handle a gun, that's your problem. Then don't handle a gun. But there are many people out there who want to be given the opportunity to defend themselves. So I speak on behalf of those ones, not for people like you who might not want to have a gun, who are vulnerable, but you want to remain vulnerable. But you know that the police and the military cannot defend you. So look, as I said before, out there, there are already a proliferation of arms in the hands of kidnappers and armed robbers.
I am not in support of this man. Just want to digress a little bit. They say prevention is better than cure. If there's anything that can prevent the bullet from entering people's human body, nobody will be afraid of kidnappers, armed robbers, or even the police. And the only thing we know that can stop bullets from killing human beings is bulletproof. But we Africans believe lies more than the truth. We say there's Odeshi that can stop it. Now, this man, as I know him, is a pure traditionalist. So if there's Odeshi that exists, this man, this Nedunwoko, will fund the bill. This man will not spend millions of naira to buy a bulletproof. Instead, he will spend thousands to do Odeshi for himself. If Odeshi truly existed. I don't know, many of you will say, what am I trying to say? What I'm trying to say is this. Why will an army person or a military personnel put all his trust on a jacket that covers only his chest instead of using 1 month or 3 months of his salary to do Odeshi that will cover both his teeth, his eye, and everywhere so that bullet will not enter? But we seem to believe lies more than the truth. As I'm talking to you now, some people will say, small boy, you don't know anything, you have not gone anywhere. Shebi, when I say Odeshi they exist, that will stop even knife and bullet to enter. That is what I want us to, that's the bill I want us to pass. If Odeshi they exist, let us start pushing for native way to solve crime. Because if I have Odeshi, I won't be afraid of police, I won't be afraid of army, I won't be afraid of kidnappers, I won't be afraid of armed robbers. I won't be afraid of fight. I won't be afraid of cuttings. Yes, now, because knife and bullet will not enter my body. So why will I be buying dogs of 180, putting security fence, putting security camera to secure myself when I can pay just ordinary thousands to do Odeshi? Baby, but you still think that I'm fool, I don't know anything. You have to start thinking right. That's what I'm trying to say. Because I see some people in the comments, they say, this country, everybody, they vex. If they put gun right, people's dead body go surplus. No, you have common sense. If you know I'm having a gun and you're having a gun, there's no need of you getting angry so that we shoot you. You will maintain. It's a reverse psychology. Meaning that if everybody has gun, everybody will maintain. Armed robbers will not rob anyhow, knowing fully that if they want to rob, no armed robber want to die for his gang. He don't want to die as a Jesus for others to enjoy. So you be careful how you rob. But let's go the other way around. Like I say, prevention is better than cure. Instead of us carrying arm, let us carry what will make arm not to function, which is Odeshi. That is the truth. Let's initiate this law, the bill for Odeshi. For many of you that believe Odeshi they work, let's initiate it so that every Nigerian can go to Babalawo. Babalawo will even make money. They will be doing the charm for us. Legitimize. Knife will not enter you. Gun will not enter you, so that both kidnappers and everybody go maintain. There will be security for you personally and for everybody around you. You do, I do. You know what I mean? If you dey fight, now blow you go dey throw. Nobody go break bottle because you no go enter body. But as I know, this thing what I'm saying will not see enter some people's understanding. They will still be arguing. Odeshi dey, power dey, we go stop bullets.